Welcome back to Saunders Homestead for Monday, July 4th. Today we were able to get a lot of the roofing done on the roof after the tongue and groove and high temperature timber frame 30. We have 3 layers of insulation, two 3-inch layers and one 1.5-inch layer for our 2x8 framing. And then over that we have the Ford Jumbo Tech 60 asphalt paper 2-ply. And then we have the vertical then horizontal strapping. And finally we will have our standing seam metal 24 gauge black metal roof with aluminum tinted copper fascia and soffit. Of course they've extended the overhangs out a foot over the north end and each of the east and west. They have yet to complete the overhang on the south end. That's what we're going to be working on. The Amish are helping us with getting this roof installed. We're so happy with their work. I'm going to take a ride up now to show you the front of the house. And here we are on the front side of the house. And as you can see, Wayne's been working hard on getting the 2-inch rigid foam insulation installed and the tape over it. We had some delays because we had to have the metal flashing that goes over the top of the windows redone, as it wasn't, we didn't order it the proper dimensions. But let me zoom in and you'll see. I'll get a little closer and you can see the metal flashing now installed on some of the windows. Here we go. There you go. The top of this window, you'll see it. And that's it for today. Wayne's going to continue putting that flashing on, and we're going to continue to get that 2 inches rigid insulation completed on this side tonight. And we'll be back at completing the other 2 sides that aren't done yet tomorrow. Thanks for joining Saunders Homestead. And if you like what you see, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love for you to join. Please do hit that subscribe button. We'll be back in touch again and probably be talking to you again tomorrow. Have a great day.